Hello everyone. So, how are you going to add location to your Wix website? Okay, so let's say that this is the website that you are going to add location to. Okay, just click on the add elements button. So you can find it here at the right side of the screen. Just click it. Okay, and now let's go to uh, theme text. Okay, let's just add text, for example this one, and then you can add your location here. Just edit text. Okay, and then you can add your locations afterward. Okay, so after adding your location, you can uh, you can change its placement. Okay, for example right here or somewhere, uh, okay, this one, let's say here. hmm And then you are going to click save. Okay, so in case you haven't published your website. Okay, so to confirm, you can go back to your SEO checklist and you can click refresh. Okay, so you can add location right here. So just going to edit it. So for example, uh, you just type in your exact location. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so thank you very much.